Quick reading for May the 15th to May the 16th. Sagittarius, your cards are the Five of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Hierophant. Well, nagkaroon ng challenges, away, tampuhan, cool off, separation. Parang na-stress dito yung taong humingi no, ng separation o yung taong nagsimula nitong away. Parang sabi niya, hindi ko pala dapat ginawa, may mga bagay pala akong dapat i-sacrifice no, rather than yung passion ko o yung damdamin ko. Parang mas hindi ko kinaya na may napatunayan nga ako, no? However, yung emotion ko naman is hindi kampante. Kaya with the Hierophant in here is nakikita natin na nandito yung fixation, pagbabate, reconciliation, pagkakaroon ng ayos, no? Pagkakaroon din ng sabihin natin ditong agreement between you and this person. So yeah, this is your reading. Maraming salamat for this is your reading for May the 15th, no, to 16th Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.